Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, my phone is broken. I'm scared of the dark. Now I'm not scared anymore. Oh no, my brushes are ruined! How do I protect my brushes?
Aw, my earrings! Seriously, I need new earrings.
Where did you get it? It's so nice, Joyce. Can I try it on?
Of course. Oh my gosh, my bracelet!
Ew! Why don't you use coasters for the cups and a bowl for the candies? Joyce, we can't go to the party with these shirts. They're so plain.
So try this shirt.
Ooh, they're really nice, Joyce. Thanks.
Let's go party.
Okay.
Dang, we need a phone holder, Lily. Now let's watch the newest Crafty Hacks video.
Okay.
There you go. Ooh, that looks nice. like our hot glue hacks such as the makeup organizer, making a t-shirt, phone case and phone stand, bowl and coaster or jewelry,
Please remember to subscribe to our channel.
and don't forget to give us a big like and comment.
See you in the next video. Bye!